I think you'll agree with me when I say it's really hard to keep ourselves and our families healthy. To help boost my immune system, I use Plant Therapy's Immune Aid Synergy. And for my children, I use Plant Therapy's KidSafe Immune Boom. They both work great at enhancing the body's ability to fight off seasonal threats. For me, the best ways to use Immune Aid and Immune Boom are: 1. In a diffuser. Diffusing the Immune Aid or Immune Boom, especially during the winter months, helps support a healthy immune system. 2. When I feel like my family's immune system is being attacked or run down, I put a few drops in the shower and allow the steam of the hot water to fill the shower with its aromas. It works great. And 3, I like to use Immune Aid and Immune Boom in my body care products during times of seasonal threats, or I simply use the Immune Aid or Immune Boom Pre-Diluted Roll-Ons. There is nothing better than taking a warm, relaxing bath. So here is an easy DIY bath salt that can help boost your immune system. You will need 2 tablespoons of unscented body wash or bubble bath, 5 drops of Immune Aid, or you can use Immune Boom for your child's bath. Blend that together. And then we are going to add half a cup of Epsom salt. Mix that all together. And that's it. Add it to your bath and enjoy.